Hello, welcome to another beautiful day of class. Today is Monday, August 7, 2020, and we are going to have our language class right now. Last week we were talking about quotations. As you remember, we have direct and indirect quotations, and we'll learn about where we should put the quotation marks. Now we're going to learn about the end punctuation. As I have here. So go to book page 76, please. We are going to learn about the end punctuation. So the instruction says the end punctuation goes inside the quotation marks in a direct quotation. For example, Jesus says, "Ye are the light of the world." This is the correct form. And Jesus says, "Ye are the light of the world." It is incorrect. Why? So look here. In this part of the quotation, we have the period inside the quotation mark. And here we have the period outside of the quotation marks. So that's why it's incorrect. Because the period goes inside, not outside. Also, when we are using question mark or exclamation point, it is the same. Here, you are going to work in exercise Think A. Number 1 said, and they said, "Believe on the Lord Jesus Christ, and you shall be saved." So what you are going to do here in this exercise is that you are going to write letter I or letter C. Letter I if the sentence it is incorrect, and letter C if the sentence and the quotation it is in a correct way. So why is incorrect? Because here I have the circle. Because the period it is outside of the quotation mark. So you're going to circle what is the mistake. You're going to circle the arrow. And here I have letter C. Number 2. Mom asked, "Have you finished your homework?" And we have here the quotation marks after the question mark. So the question mark is inside the quotation marks. That's why it's correct. So you're going to write letter C if it is correct, letter I if it is incorrect. And also, if it is incorrect, you're going to circle the mistake. That was everything for today's language class. You're going to continue with the rest of the exercises, and tomorrow I'm going to check if you have the correct answers. That was everything for today. I hope you are fine at home. Please keep safe. Blessings from the Lord. Hug and kisses. See you until next class.